I've got a three-phase system, okay, and the output is fantastic. You know, I've got a 7 kilowatt system up there, and dollars in my pocket. I used to average bills of $1,500 to $2,000, depending what time of year it was. And I'm going to have this thing paid off in 2.5, 3 years, I reckon. I'm doing around the 53 kilowatt output a day, and I've learned to try to run things during the day with the panels as well. You know, if you can put your wash machines on and everything else on the weekend, do it during the day, that extra little bit of output you get is fantastic. I'm in credit with my power bill, so you know I can get money back from the power authority here. If you haven't got solar yet, you need to put it on there. It will save you money long term, does the environment well, and it just pays itself off. I can't say that enough. It pays itself off in a short period of time, and it's money in your bank that you can do what you want with later on in life. But you have to pick quality. You look around at the workmanship and everything that goes with it. As a tradesman, did a fantastic job.